Hello dear students, uh, I will discuss about numerical solution of simultaneous linear equation. Numerical solution of simultaneous linear equation, just for the solution of simple linear equation, linear equation may be in one variable, two variable, three variable, four variable. Maybe there is one linear equation. We can solve it by algebraic method. Here, our topic is what? Numerical solution of simultaneous algebraic equation. Simultaneous means same type of equations. Just like this, suppose x1 plus 2 x2 equals to 5, 2x1 minus 3x2 equals to 6. There are two linear equations in two unknowns. Unknowns means variables. If we take single equation, then we cannot find the unique solution for that, because there is infinite solution it has. If we are having two equations in two unknowns, linear equation, then we can solve it by the method. There are many methods. Simultaneous equation you can solve by adding, subtracting, multiplying, eliminating one another, and there is a method for cross multiplication method, substitution method, elimination method. In lower class you have already studied it. Okay, now suppose we are having three unknowns, three equations, four unknown, four equations, five unknown, five equations. Then how can we find solution of that equation? Because up to 3 or 4 we can use matrix method. Also we can use Cramer rules, consistency of the system, by using matrix we can solve it. But numerical solution when required? When there are number of unknowns are large in number and equations are also large in number. Then how can you solve it? Then solving that equation by using matrix method very tedious. We cannot solve easily. So numerical solution means there may be any number of finite number of unknowns, finite number of unknown, finite number of equations. Then we can get a numerical solution of that system. Okay. So there are many methods for finding numerical solutions. Here, for simultaneous algebraic equations, we will study about two methods. First, there are direct method also available. Direct method means we can use matrix also. We can use just eliminate one variable from one variable, two variable, three variable, and we can get, just try to find by subtracting, adding, etc. And can be find by iterative method also. So here we will study about two method, direct method. There are the direct methods called. First method is Gauss elimination method. Method is main thing, because you have to do program for this method, because maybe number of unknowns 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and number of equations are also equal to the number of unknown. Suppose we are having variable x1, x2 up to xn. Number of unknowns this. That means we can a1, a12, a13, x3 up to a1n xn equals to b1. Suppose linear equation in linear means power of unknown is 1. Linear equation in n unknowns. First equation is this. N equations are there. Suppose a12 x1, a22 x2, a23 x3 and so on up to a2n xn equals to b2. Similarly, a31 x1, a32 x2, a33 x3 and so on up to a3n xn equals to b3. And also we can get how many? Counting 1, 2, 3. Sorry, this is 2, 1. Okay, a 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n equations, n unknowns. This first equation, second one up to an1 x1, an2 x2 and so on up to ann xn equals to bn. Okay, this type of system we have means n unknowns, n equations. Maybe two unknowns, 2 equations, 3 unknown, 3 equations, 4 unknown, 4 equations. Here n equals to maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When more than n is more than 3, then general method, that is the previous method, whatever we know, that is very lengthy method. That will be very lengthy and very tedious. So numerical solution, for numerical solution, just there are same type of process just we do. Okay, and by doing that we can get solution. A same type of process are repeating. That's why we can do it computer program. Okay. So here first method is what? Gauss elimination method. Eliminate. We have to eliminate the way. So we will take questions of involving 3 unknowns, 4 unknowns for understanding better. But roughly what is the method? Just suppose this is the system. Then our method will be what? First of all, we have to decide that first variable unknown is x1. Just a step by step, first step. Our target is eliminate one by one unknowns from equation below, the first equation. This is pivotal equation, just like this. Here we can write it as a11, a12, in matrix notation we can write it. So main target is at how? Suppose first of all a21 is, just try to eliminate x1 from this equation by using this. We can do it. Okay. If a11 is not equals to 0, this is not, if a11 is not equals to 0, then if we multiply it by a21 upon a11, we multiply this to the equation first. Then what will be there? A11 cancel, A21 is there, and we subtract this equation from this equation. Then what will remain? A11 x1. So this cancel, A21 2 1. This subtract from this. So this can be eliminated by doing what? This is if this is first equation, or if this is second equation. Okay, so we apply operation what? Just equation 2 minus A21, this is the constant value, na? So A21 by A11 multiply by this to first equation. This is our operation. So by applying this operation, apply this means what? Multiplying equation first by this and subtract from second. Then A21 by A11 means 1 cancel, A21 x1 same value, it will be cancelled, and there will be changes. All the constants will be changes, and this will be eliminated. Similarly, by multiplying it by 3 1 and subtract from 3 to minus, this can be cancelled out, eliminate. Similarly, you can do up to the last. So by using this value, we can, if this is not equals to 0, then we can eliminate all the x1 from remaining equations. Okay, by applying this type of technique. Okay, so by doing this, we can eliminate this, and here will be changes. All values will be changes. Okay, dash 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 dash. We can convert just like this after applying operation, and that will be different. Okay, there will be different. There will be changes. Now, just this is called first pivot element. We say pivotal element. Just like this, if we write coefficient matrix, A11, A12, A13 up to A1n, and last value B1. Just we write augmented matrix. Here A21, A22, A23 up to A2n, B2. Similarly, A31, A33, A32, A33, and up to A3n. And this is B3. Similarly, AN1, AN2, AN3 up to ANN. And this is Bn. We can write its coefficients matrix like this. Okay, so just by using this, you have to eliminate, you have to make this 0 by applying row operation. Okay, so all may make 0, then all will be changes coefficient matrix of this. Now take this first pivot, by which element by which we make elimination of equation below the first pivotal equation. Now this is our second pivotal equation. This is first pivotal equation, this is second pivotal equation, and if this is not equals to 0, then just do same process. Clear? That means what? By using this, you can do this as 0, 0, 0, 0. How? If 2 dash is not equals to 0, new constant, then by multiplying this by A32 dash by A22 dash, so A22 dash cancel and this will be here and both are same, so you can subtract from third equation to just like apply what? Equation third minus A32 dash new constant upon A22 dash of second equation. By using this, we can eliminate all the x2's. Okay? By applying this, because first they will be same, so this can be eliminated by applying this. Similarly, by applying another 4, equation 4 minus of here 32 dash means what? 42 dash upon A22 dash, 42 dash, this is second, this is fourth equation, and you can do this 0. Similarly, up to this you can do 0. So here will be, value will be changes, constant. So here will be what? 3 and 3 double dash, double dash, double dash. Just you can get like this. That means this will be 0 by applying no operation, and this will be the new constant. Okay, new constant. So just like this. By doing same process, this is second pivotal element. Second pivot. Pivot means what? By which we have to eliminate first term of remaining student below the second pivotal equations. Similar process you can do. This is third pivot. If this element is not 0, not is equals to 0, then you can keep here the equation whose first element is not 0 by writing this equation here and this equation here, and then take pivot, and by that pivot you can do 0 in the lower side, and you can get here from what? A4 and 4 double dash, triple dash, triple dash, triple dash, and so on. And doing this process, you can do all the lower part triangular elements are eliminated. This is the upper triangular matrix. You can do convert this coefficient matrix to an upper triangular matrix, like, and by using this we can do dax substitution, because in the last equation we will get only single unknowns. From this equation we can get the value of xn. By this, using this xn, its previous equation will contain two unknowns, xn minus 1 and xn. So by putting this xn here, we can get xn minus 1. By putting this two value here, we can get xn minus 2. And similarly, we can get all the values. So elimination method is this. Just you make pivot, and by that pivot you have to eliminate the first term of the equation below the pivotal equation. This is the main process. By doing this process you can eliminate elements, and whole system you can convert it to a upper triangular form. Okay, so just take questions for solving here. This is the main process. So for understanding this method take questions containing 3 unknowns, and then we will take questions for 4 unknowns, and similarly you can do for 5, 6, 7 unknowns. Okay, so take questions, that is solve the system of equations by applying Gauss elimination method. Okay, so there is equation, Gauss elimination method we have to use and solve the equation x plus 4y minus z. Okay, solution. Given equations are x plus 4y minus z, x plus 4y minus z equals to minus 5, and x plus y minus 6z, x plus y minus 6z equals to minus 12, and 3x minus y minus z, 3x minus y minus z equals to 4. This is given system. Just we have to try to solve this equation, this system of equations by using Gauss elimination method, because here our main target is doing computer programming by using this method. Here number of unknown is 3, equations are also 3, that is n equals to 3. So we can do it also by our previous method, but what is the Gauss elimination method? That will be main thing here. Okay, so first here we can write it as our main step. What is the first step? First of all, just you have to make numbering. This is first equation, this is second equation, okay, this is third equation. Clear? Now our target is what? Just write eliminate first unknown. If we take, just we take first equation, its coefficient is 1, not equals to 0, so it can be taken as a pivotal equation. Or first pivot element is here what? 1, because a 1 1, a 1 2, a 1 3, a 2 1, 2 2, a 2 2, a 2 3, and this is a 3 1, a 3 2, a 3 3, and this or notation. So take equation. Take equation 1 is first pivotal equation with a1 1 equals to 1 as first pivot element. Pivot element means by this element we have to make elimination of the first variable from equation below the first pivotal equation. Okay, so apply, because this is systematically we have to write its solution. We know what we have to do, just this subtract from this subtract from this, but this will be the, for doing computer programming you have to systematically write its a step, then you can do it. Okay, so apply what first? Second equation minus first equation we can write, because here is also 1, here is also 1. So what? A 2 1 by A 1 1, 1 by 1. So we can write here first equation. Here 2 1 by, sorry, A 2 1 by A 1 1. A 1 1 is 1. So both are 1. That's why we are writing nothing. This, and also by using this you have to do it as 0. How can? This, and by using this you have to make this to elimination. So here we can write third equation minus A31 upon A11. A31 means 3 upon A11 into first equation. Means after multiplying this 3 by 3, you can subtract from it. We can do it by directly in easy way, but for doing programming, for any number of unknowns, any number of equations, we have to make it's a step very clearly and step by step. Okay, so this, apply this and this, we get what? Here first, second equation. What will be second equation? First 0, then now. Just subtract first from second. This minus this 0, this minus the minus 3y, and plus minus 5z equals to subtract, means minus plus minus 7. And here also, after multiplying 3, 12 minus here minus 13, minus 13y, here 3 minus 3z, minus 3z is subtracted, minus 3z is subtracted from z, that is plus 3z minus z, means plus 2z equals to 15 plus 19. Okay, subtracting. So here minus 13 2 19, minus 2 minus 3 5 minus 7, minus 3 minus 5 minus 7, minus 13 2 19. Okay, third equation, then this is equation 4, this is equation 5. Okay, now here or second step, the first equation is written here. Okay, remaining converted equation is eliminated from these two. X are eliminated by using first step. Now here we make this, because this is not equals to 0, so this is fourth equation. Now take equation 4 as second pivotal equation, and second pivot as what? Minus 3. A what? A 2 equals to minus 3. Now by using this you have to eliminate this. So apply what operation? Just by using this, just we have to eliminate first term of below equation, the pivotal equation. So by using this, eliminate this. So fifth equation minus this divided by this into this. This is the formula, na? Okay. So here A32 means minus 13 upon A22, that is minus 3, this into equation 4. This is our application. Just multiply this to this equation and subtract from it. Okay, so we get what? Here minus 13 by 3. If this minus 3 cancel, minus 13 by 13, minus 30 is there. Okay, so minus 3 cancel, and just we get minus 3. So this is 0, first part. Only we get what? 13 by 3 multiplied to here. 5 into 13 by 3. Okay, so 5 by 3, 13 by 3 multiplied by 5, that is 65 by 3. So minus plus and minus 5, so minus this, and this is subtracted from this. This is subtracted from this 2. So here will be 0. Here 2. So 2 plus 65 by 3. So what? 6 plus, just solve it. 6 plus 65 by 3. 71 by 3. So 71 upon 3 z is equals to here. Just do it also with this element. How? 13 by 3 into 7. Minus plus minus. And this is subtracted from 19. Subtracted from 19. Minus is plus. So 19 plus 91 by 3. So minus plus 57 plus 91 upon 3. So here 8, 148 by 3. So 148 by 3. 148 by 3. Clear? This. Just we get like this. This is by step. Now this is equation 6. Now we see that in the last equation there is single variable. So now we can back substitute tuition method and get all the unknowns x, y and z. Clear? So from now use back substitution method for getting the values of unknowns as from equation. Back substitution means from last equation, from 6 we can get z equals to 3 cancel, 148 by 71. 148 by 71 Clear? So you could get its value by using calculator. When this is numerical solution, so you always require calculator. Okay, so you can get the value of z like this. Now, by putting this value of z in equation this, because it converted to this, na? So just z equals to 148 by 71 you can put here using 4. Okay, so just I am deleting this. Okay, here. Okay, z equals to 148 by 71. Clear? After this line, from now we use equation this 4. Equation 4. We get, what is the method? Put z equals to here. Then you can get the value of y. So from here we see that 3y equals to, just take it on the right hand side or multiply it by plus sign, then 3y. Okay, so, or we can write 3y is equals to, transfer to right hand side, that is 7 minus 5z. From this equation 7 minus 5z equals to 3y. So from here we can write y equals to 7 minus 5z upon 3. Just put the value of z here. So 7 minus 5 into 148 by 71 upon 3. Just calculate it and you can get the value. You can use calculator. Okay, so value will be what? Minus 81 by 71. Minus 81 upon 71. Okay, just do it. Back substitution. This is z equals to this and y equals to this. Okay, now for getting, after this line, we will write what? Also, from z equal to this 148 by 71. Also from, now use this first equation, because these two equations converted to here, na? So first equation is this. Now from 1 we get, for value of x, so x equals to, we can write minus 5 minus 4y plus z. Just put the value of y and z. Just getting what? This is equals to minus 5 minus 4 into y means this minus 81 upon 71 and plus z. Z equals to 148 by 71. 148 by 71. So this can be calculated. Just do it by using calculator. Minus 5 minus 4 by this 117 by 71. 117 by 71. So you have to do calculate. So these are the values of x, y and z. So y is equals to this, x equals to this, and z equals to what? 148 by 71. X equal to 117 by 71. Y equals to minus 81 by 71. These are the solution. Getting by back substitution. First of all, we are trying to convert it to the upper triangular size. Just we have to write like this step by step, because this step is required for making computer programming. Okay. So we can see that it is what? By using matrix method, we can do it also by applying row operation, only row operation, because equations are subtracted from other equation, that is row is subtracted from other row. So by using matrix we can also do it. Okay. Here matrix will be, coefficient matrix will be what? Matrix equivalent. We can take matrix equivalent. How? This can be written as like this. What? 1, 4, minus 1. 1, 1, minus 6. 3, minus 1, minus 1 equals to, it can be written here. Just side by side. Minus 5, minus 12, 4. We can write like this. Take augmented matrix. Augmented matrix is this. Just taking coefficient matrix here, and after the dotted line, vertical line, just you write like this. Now only apply row operation here. This is first row, second row, third row. So applying what? Just our target is what? This and this should be 0. So by using this we can do it. And after doing that, just by this element you have to make it 0. If it is not 0, then just interchange third row here, second row here. Just make it this element. By using this we can do 0. And finally we get upper triangular matrix. So here single variable is there. So by using this equivalent equation, here x, y, z, so z equal to this, then put the value of z by writing equivalent equation. Okay, so we can use also matrix method here. Okay, for doing that, what we require? Just like this, by R2 minus R1, and by also just write R3 minus 3 R1. First operation will be this. Okay, here. So what? Will be 1, 4, minus 1, minus 5, this. Just you can do 0. This is minus 3, minus plus, so stack plus minus 5 here, plus 5 means minus 7, here 0, here what? Minus 12, this is 12, minus 12, minus 13, here minus 3, so minus 3 is subtracted, plus 3, so here minus 2, here plus 2, no? Plus 2, or here 19, minus 15, plus 15, 14, 19. So this will be the equation. And second step, what will be? By using this, it should be 0. So by R3 minus, this is R3 minus R2 minus what? 13 by 3 R2. Okay, by using this you can see 3 cancel, 13 minus 13, so minus 13. So what will be? 1, 4, minus 1, minus 5, 0, minus 3, minus 5, minus 7, here 0, 0, and it will be what? 71 by 3, here 71 by 3, 71 by 3, or here 148 by 3, 148 by 3, by applying this. This is upper triangular matrix. By using equivalent equation means here this is for z, this is for y and z, this is for x, y and z. The equation will be what? X plus 4y minus z equals to minus 5, and minus 3y minus 5z equals to minus 7, and 71 by 3 z equals to 148 by 3. So by back substitution we can get equivalent equations are equivalent equations are what? Here ax plus 4y minus z equals to minus 5. The first minus 3y minus 5z equals to minus 7, and 71 upon 3z equals to 148 by 3. So back substitution. Here we can find z, then put here, then we can find y, and then put y and z here, then you can find. Now by back substitution, we can get z equals to 148 by 71, then y equals to what? Minus 81 by 71, and x equals to, we just see here, 148 by 71. So this is the solution. This is the matrix method, equivalent method. Okay. So, but by taking this matrix, you can also do the program. But our elimination method is main thing. So the first just have discussed, that is the method of elimination. Now take for understanding second questions involving how many variables are there? Only 4 variables. Take for 4 unknowns. That is 4 unknowns. Okay. So take questions. Just take another questions. Solve by Gauss elimination method. Now we take 4 variables, 4 equations. Then 5 variables, 5 equations, 6 variables, 6 equations, means number of variables and number of equations will be same. The number of unknowns can be large. In that case, we can do the programming for solving the given system. So main thing is, what is the process here? Number of unknowns n equals to 4. So take another question. The given equations are what? 10x minus 7y plus 3z, 10x minus 7y plus 3z, 7y plus 3z plus 5u equals to 6. This is first equation. Second is minus 6, 8 minus 1, minus 6x, 8 minus z minus 4u, 8y minus z minus 4u equals to 5, and 3x plus y plus 4z, 3x plus y plus 4z plus 11u equals to 2, and 5x minus 9y minus 2z, 5x minus 9y minus 2z, 5x minus 9y minus 2z plus 4u equals to 7. This is the given system of equation. This is the given system of equation in 4 unknowns. That is, there are 4 equations, system of equations, simultaneous equations, simultaneous system of simultaneous equations, linear equations. We have to solve it. So first of all, naming is very, very important here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 equations, just naming it. Okay. Now our first target is here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like this. This. Also this. This. This is the position. Okay. This is the position. What? Now our target is what? This is A11, A21, A31, A41. Okay. So here A12, A22, 3 to A, what? 4 to, okay, just like this type of naming is there. Okay, here B1, B2, B3, and our target is what? First should not be equals to 0, then we can take it as a pivot, first pivot. Okay, by this we can make it 0, 0, 0. How? By multiplying first equation A21 upon A11. By multiplying this to here and subtract from here, we can do cancel. Just doing in all the terms, the constant will be changed. Okay, similarly for this, what? A31 upon A11 multiply to here. A41 upon A11. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 not equal to 0. This is the pivotal element. By using this, multiply to here and apply the operation, then you can eliminate this 3 part. Okay, this will be cancelled. Okay, similarly, secondly, take it. If this is not equals 0, then this is second pivot. Second pivot. By using this for doing it 0, we can also multiply it by this A32 dash upon A22 dash. Similarly, it can be multiplied by A42 dash by A22 dash, because this is not equal to this pivot. By using this, you can also eliminate this. Now by using this, you can eliminate this. So this is upper triangular matrix. Now back substitution you can do. This is for Z, Z equal to this. This is for Y and Z. So put the value of Y here, then you can Z here, then you can get the value of Y. Now put the value of Y and Z here, you can find the value by this. Okay, so here our step by step, the first step will be what? Applying, just I write step first. Step first. What? Take A11 is equals to 10 as first pivot. Then apply. Then apply which operation will do? Because by using this we have to make this 3 or 0. How? Then apply first equation second minus equation first multiplied by which? Minus 6 by 10. Clear? Minus 6 by 10 of first. This is first operation. Similarly, equation third minus equation first. Here 3 by 10. 3 by 10. Clear? And for this, equation 4 minus 5 by 10. 5 by 10 into equation first. Because they are a fixed method, no? So that's why you can do programming. Okay, we get, just calculate it very carefully. Okay, by applying this operation, 10 10 cancel, minus 6 will be there, minus 6, minus minus plus, plus 6, because minus minus plus, so this will be 0. So far, now just write this, its converted equations here. Okay, so subtract and use by calculator. Use calculator and just find the value. What will be the value? Okay, so this is 0. Now here it is multiplied by. 7 is multiplied by 6 by 10. 7 is multiplied by 6 by 10 minus, so minus minus plus will be there, minus minus, here also one minus sign is there, because minus minus minus, so here that will be minus sign finally, and this minus from 8, because 3 minus sign will be there, here minus minus plus, and this is also minus 7, so this, so 80 minus 42 by 10. So what? 838 by 10, 3.8. So you can write here 3.8y. Similarly, just multiply 3 by this, and then from here subtracting, you can get the value, just write 0.8z plus 0.8z, okay, and minus u equals to 8.6. Just for doing calculation you can use calculator also, okay. Just if there are values in fraction, then you can divide and round off, okay. So here just like this we see here 5 into this, so 2, 3 and 4, 1 minus here, okay. Similarly 3.1y by using this operation, 3.1y, 3.1z, 3.1z, and plus 9.5 u equals to 9.5 u equals to 0.2 for this equation. And third equation, minus 5.5y, minus 5.5y, and minus 3.5 z plus 1.5 u, 1.5 u equals to 4. Clear? This is the first test. Okay, just you can use calculator and do the calculation by this, okay, because it will done actually by computer, by after doing programming. So here just you have to know what is the method, just by taking this pivot. Just now our pivot will be what? 3.8, okay. So here step 2, this is equation 5th, equation 6th, equation 7. Just you have to naming the equation. Now step 2, or step 2 will be what? Take, it can be take pivot now, because this is not equal to 0. Now take 3.8 as second pivot element. Then apply. By using this you have to make this to eliminate means 0, okay. For why? For that you can do equations this minus this, so equation 6 minus equation 5th of how many times? This by this, 3.1 by 3.8, 3.1 by 3.8, same method for, okay. Now by this minus means 7 minus, so 7 minus 5th by multiplying which? Minus 5.5 by 3.8, so minus 5. Just write minus 5.5 by 3.8. 3.8. Okay, just you have to calculate it. Minus 5.5 by 3.8. Multiply this to here, also here, also here, also here, and subtract from this. That means, so these two will be 0. So you can get converted equation. There will be no changes. So just we will not repeat it here also. Only this will be changes. So here on Z value. So after second step 9.3 Z. 9.3 Z. So here take 9.3 Z plus 39.2 U plus 39.2 U equals to minus 25.9. Minus 25.9. You can get it by using calculator also. So do it. And second line will be changes like this. Minus 8.9 Z. Minus 8.9 Z and 0.2 U plus 0.2 U equals to 62.5. 62.5. Clear? So just naming it, converted equation of this. After 7, it will be 8 equation, and this is will be 9 equation. Okay. Now our step third will be what? Step third. Step third. The same method. You have to make below equation elimination of this. So just eliminate it by using this. So taking 9.3, this is not equal to 0, so 9.3 as third pivot, apply, what operation will be applied? 9 minus 8. How many types? Minus 8.9 by 9.3. Formula. Minus 8.9 by 9.3. Just calculate it and multiply to this equation and add and subtract from here. You can get it as 0, and here will be changes U. That will be the value of 350.74 U. We get 3507 U. 350.74 U equals to 350.74. 350.74 also. Okay, so this is equation 10. Okay, now very simple. Okay, step by step. Here 3 steps are completed. Now by back substitution we can get the value of U, then Z, then Y, then X. Now by back substitution, just write answer here. Okay, after this line, just I don't delete this equation. We take which equation? From here we can find U equals to, this is U, this is U, this is U. Okay. (74) U equals to. Okay. So from 10 we can find the value of U. So we will require the equation what? Here U can be find as a 1. Just use U here. Then you can find Z. and use z and u here, then you can find y, and then use yzu here, then you can find. So 1, 5 and 8 are useful. Okay. Step 4. Step 4. By back substitution, we get from 10, u equals to 1. U equals to 1. Clear? And from, and then 8. We will recover equation 8. So we can delete it. Okay. From 8, equation 8, just put u equals to here 1. So this is equals to this minus this divided by 9.3. You can get the value z equals to what? Minus 7. Z equals to minus 7. And then from 5th, we can get, put u equals to 1, z equal to minus 7, u equals to 1, z equal to minus 7 here, and we can get the value of y as, just calculate it, y equals to 4. Okay. And finally, from equation 1 first, just u z y, put u z y, value of this, and we can get value of x as x equals to 5. X equals to 5. So this is the solution of this equation. Okay. So what? 5, 4 minus 7, 1. 5, 4 minus 7, 1. So here 5, 4 minus 7, 1. Clear? So this is the solution by back substitution. So this is the step of Gauss elimination method. Very, very important. Main is what is pivot for each step. And by pivoting element, just you have to eliminate the first term of the below equation, that the pivotal equation. Okay, and finally by back substitution you can get the solution. Okay. So this is the solution by Gauss elimination method you can do now. Okay, I will give 2-3 questions from this method, just you have to do it. Okay, now take 2 questions for Gauss elimination methods. Very, very important questions. You have to also program it in computer. You can do it for more than 3 or 4 unknowns and that of such type of equations. Okay, just for attendance you have to make PDF file of solutions of these 4 questions and send to me in my personal number. Then I will give attendance for you. This class contains 2-3 attendance because time duration of this class is long. Okay, so these 4 questions you can solve. You can also use matrix, but not matrix, These are our equation. Then first decide pivotal element, and then by using this, just you have to eliminate this, and then for Gauss elimination method, second pivotal element is this. By using this, just eliminate third pivotal element, non-zero element, pivotal element, eliminate this, and you can get this. So you can get a upper triangular matrix like equations. Then by back substitution you can get the value. Make it PDF file and send to me in my personal number for your attendance. Okay, this class will give 3-4 attendance. Okay, so remember it.